In the ancient forests of Madagascar, a master of disguise lurks among the leaves. The leaf-tailed gecko possesses an extraordinary ability to vanish in plain sight. Its large eyes, adapted for night vision, betray its nocturnal nature. As darkness falls, the gecko springs to life, its keen senses attuned to the slightest movement. Even while mobile, its movements are so perfectly timed that it remains virtually invisible. As day breaks, the gecko seeks a hiding spot, seamlessly blending with its surroundings. But this remarkable creature faces a grave threat. Deforestation is rapidly destroying its unique habitat. The future of the leaf-tailed gecko and countless other species depends on our commitment to preserve Madagascar's irreplaceable forests.